This is CTV News, live from Canada Day celebrations in downtown Vancouver.
Sarah said it might be Canada Day, but it sure feels a little more like February. Tamara, a bit chilly, you could say, for July.
Yeah, a lot of people complaining about that it's not hot enough. I'm quite happy about it.
I bet, yeah.
I'm like a heater, so this is quite good. Don't worry, summer's definitely on the way. How are you guys doing? Having fun? Pretty good. All right. Listen, just relax. Are you behaving yourself?
I guess so.
Are you? All right, how old are you?
13.
What's your curfew tonight?
I don't know.
Whenever, man. This is Canada.
Oh,
Canada
brother. I don't think it's whatever. You need to be home and in bed by 8:30, okay? All right, let's show you what's happening with the weather. Oh, Chopper 9 is out and about. It's windy. There's our great flag blowing in the wind. It is a bit breezy out, but it's lovely. And there's lots of sunshine on the way. As we take a look at our live radar and satellite, you can see there's definitely some showers hanging around. It's quite unsettled. We have an upper level low over us. So what does that mean for our weather? It means that we have a little bit more to get through. So a little bit more weather, cool with some showers. Summer is definitely on its way. It will be here before we know it. Trust me. It's in the 7-day forecast. It's looking good. You'll be pulling out your fans and your air conditioners before you know it. I'll have all that for you in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Coming up on CTV News at 6, you won't believe what's happening to a treasured symbol of Canada south of the border.
And on this Canada Day, we're looking back at moments that united our nation during the 2010 Games. Here's John Montgomery's gold medal skeleton run.
Champion, representing Canada, John Montgomery.
This is CTV News, live from Canada Day celebrations in downtown Vancouver. Working for you, Bill Good and Pamela Martin on CTV News, Channel 9.
Welcome back to Canada Day celebrations here in Jack Pool Plaza. Thousands are enjoying the festivities on our nation's birthday.
Back home now, where we're starting to see the first solid evidence of an economic payoff from the 2010 Winter Olympics. New numbers from Stats Canada reveal a spike in spending by international visitors.
And as CTV's Mike Killeen reports, thanks in part to the Games, there are projections of a significant increase in visitors to BC this summer.
Even when it isn't lit, the Olympic Cauldron has become a Vancouver landmark, a must-see for visitors.
You know, we saw so much about Vancouver during the Olympics, so we wanted to check it out.
I find it very similar to Sydney, so I really enjoy it over here.
Thanks in large part to the 2010 Games, tourism officials are predicting a 7% increase in visitors this summer compared to 2009. Tourism Vancouver is spending $1 million on a post-Games marketing campaign, but the biggest challenge is still ahead.
And that's how do you leverage the entire Olympic year as a springboard into the next decade of tourism for Vancouver and British Columbia. And not to put too fine of a point on it, but whatever the next decade looks like will be determined a lot by what we do in a marketing sense or do not do in the next 24 months.
It's big.
This TV commercial, featuring some very familiar faces, was part of a $38 million BC government marketing campaign. New numbers from the province suggest it was seen a staggering 970 million times in North America. Evidence of an Olympic payoff not just in Vancouver and Whistler. The Kamloops area has seen a big spike in visitors.
In my own region, it was reported this week that year over year, hotel revenues are up 24%. Which is far beyond our expectations.
Olympic organizers are also predicting a major boost in tourism for BC and Canada.
We were told of some global surveys and stuff that the IOC had done post-Games, which apparently have very impressive numbers, extraordinarily impressive numbers, which they're assessing.
New numbers from Stats Canada suggest spending by international visitors grew in the first quarter of the year at the highest rate since 2003. The Olympics are being credited for that spike in spending. Mike Killeen, CTV News, Vancouver.